Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to look at the busiest intersection in Jamaica, and that's the intersection of Spanish Town Road with Hagley Park Road. And we are currently on Spanish Town Road heading towards the intersection. You would think we are driving through St. Thomas, the way this road is so bad, but this road is under renovation. Water Commission recently laid some pipes so that these areas can get water. The system or the pipes they had in place were inadequate to provide the necessary water supply. So Water Commission went in and laid new pipes, and then the road, once the pipes have been certified to be working properly, the road is going to be repaved. It's going to be a 6-lane road like Washington Boulevard. So all the pipes have been laid, so it's just for Water Commission to test them now, make sure everything is okay. The contractor is in place, ready to go. As you can see, they are putting in some sidewalks there on the right. So this road will be fixed very soon. The road in St. Thomas now, I don't know. I really don't know what's going on with that one. Okay. So basically, to get from downtown Kingston to Spanish Town, Portmore, this is the road you would take. You would take Spanish Town Road that leads into Mandela Highway, which is the busiest road in Jamaica, and this road will take you there. So also, if you're coming from Halfway Tree, which is the busiest place in Jamaica, and you want to get to downtown Kingston, which is the second busiest place in Jamaica, you would take Hagley Park Road down to Spanish Town Road at the intersection straight ahead, which is the busiest intersection in Jamaica. So if you want to get from the two busiest places in Jamaica, this intersection that we described earlier is where you would have to go. Also now, the wharf or the Port of Kingston, the wharf, is on Marcus Garvey Drive or off Marcus Garvey Drive, and at this intersection you also intersect Spanish Town Road, Hagley Park Road, and Marcus Garvey Drive. So that's another reason, if you're trying to get from anywhere in Jamaica to the Kingston port, you have to come on this road, or 75% have to use this road, and this intersection in particular. So this is the overpass that was built so that persons can navigate this intersection quite easily. So the busiest intersection in Jamaica is that of Spanish Town Road and Hagley Park Road, and here you can see a double overpass. We are on Spanish Town Road. The top road is Hagley Park Road, and Hagley Park Road, when you exit this overpass, takes you into Marcus Garvey Drive, which takes you to the Port of Kingston. So that's why this intersection is the busiest intersection in Jamaica, and that's the reason why that overpass was built, to help with the flow of traffic. And the government did an excellent job in identifying the need for the overpass. It was a traffic nightmare when you would come before the overpass was built. And also on Spanish Town Road, you have so many residential communities that just for the persons to get to Halfway Tree or to downtown Kingston, it's a lot of traffic. Even if you just want to pass through to get to where you're going, these Spanish Town Road has a very large, thousands of homes, thousands of people live in these communities. Okay, so now we're going to go under the overpass so you could see actually where the roads intersect. And here is a very nice view of the overpass. Works well. It's a job well done. We have to give the government credit. And we don't really want to talk politics on this channel, but I'm sure one of the reasons why this government had such a landslide victory in the election is because of roads like this, because of road projects like these. Okay, we're going under the overpass now. So there you can see the sign. Straight ahead, you go to downtown, turn left, you go to Halfway Tree, and if you turn right, you go to Portmore. So we are on Spanish Town Road now. If we turn left, we go onto Hagley Park Road. If we turn right, we go into Marcus Garvey Drive. This overpass was built by the China Harbor Engineering Company, and they did an excellent job. Nobody has complained. Everything structurally seems great. Here is a picture of it. When you drive on these roads, you would think you're in a first world country. You think you're in America. You have to say, job well done. And as you can see, there is no traffic on the overpass. It just flows freely. There are no stoplights. It flows freely, so it frees up the traffic. So if you're trying to get to downtown, you don't have to come on this road. You just go on the overpass. Very nicely done. And also this road takes you into the Portmore Expressway, which is a toll road that leads you into Portmore. And Portmore has such a large population, it's such a large area. Portmore is to become the 15th parish in Jamaica. It's laid out over a large landmass, large enough that it can become a parish on its own. So this overpass helps with the Portmore traffic coming into Kingston as well. And the Portmore Expressway is a part of the Highway 2000 project. Alright, so straight ahead where you see those cranes, that's the Port of Kingston. If we were to go straight on this road, we would intersect at that stoplight, the Portmore Expressway. But we just turned left and we're now on Marcus Garvey Drive. On the left, you'll see the Tinsel Pen Aerodrome. And it's not an international airport. It doesn't meet the standards of an airport. But it you can fly small planes like those planes you see on the run or in the aerodrome. Those planes take off there. The big jets, like if you're coming from overseas, they can't land here. It's not large enough. But for flights within Jamaica, this airport is what you use. Alright guys, so this is Marcus Garvey Drive, and on the right is the Port of Kingston or the Kingston Wharf area. On the left is where you see all those cars parked. That's where they store the cars when they come off the wharf, when they come off the ships. It's like a bonded warehouse. Yeah, the intersection we're coming up to now, if we turn right, we would go into the Kingston Wharf area, also known as Newport West, and that would lead you to the Port of Kingston. Okay, so if we were to turn right at this stoplight, we would go onto the wharf, basically. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.